crazy was that? I watched it bubble and I watched it melt. It was amazing. So now you have your melted starburst all together. You can see the different colors, how they combined, making the metamorphic rock melt, which then in turn can start your whole process over. If I were to let it cool completely, which mine has, it actually can start your process over. The cooling has happened, so see if I do this, it's now different pieces of igneous rock right here. Just pieces of igneous rock. How amazing! Then it starts all over. Now, something I want to finish off with. On your poster of your Starburst rock cycle, you should now put that it turned into, I did my picture right here of the magma, and it's called magma. There's a couple other things that you need to fill in because it says, label each arrow. It even has it in bold print. Bold print. That's a way how we look at things in a different way and notice some print. We have the title. We need to finish all the directions. So let's talk about that cycle. You went and started with igneous rock. When we add weathering and erosion, so that's what you need to add, is the weathering and erosion that's right here. Then when that happens, little sediments, because remember, if we weather, we break apart. Erode is to move, and then the breaks, the pieces, is the sediment. When you have all those sediments after a long period of time, comes the compaction and cementation of the natural processes of Earth. So compact, adding pressure, and cementing where it doesn't piece away. It doesn't break and crumble into sand, but it cements together. So you need to add that to your poster paper. Then you get to heat and pressure. You now have a sedimentary rock from the compaction and cementation. Then adding heat and pressure. That's where we put it together and we compacted, used the heat from our hands, heat and pressed it down for pressure, and it turned into our metamorphic ball, which was our metamorphic rock. We placed in the microwave, adding extreme heat, and that turned into magma. Then, so melting, put melting right here. When it goes to magma, it then cools. So it sat out for a while, and then it ended up turning into more pieces of igneous rock. You can start it all over again. That's because it's a cycle. Goes around and around and around and keeps going and going and going. So I hope that you enjoyed our Starburst rock cycle and that you learned how rocks are formed and made. This is Mrs. Nunes, and I am signing out. See you soon.